Wait, how can I forget chair? I'll be right back. Good day. Good day to you too. Okay. Today is the on the blog of the game I'm making for the Ironmouse game jam up for 2024 or Mousy game jam 2024. So hello. I can see there's a second viewer, but I think they are lacking. She's basically a tongue for watching the stream, but not typing at all. Well, good day to you too, Laka. Well, let me open my game engine. Then we can start. In the last devlog, we made a splat, the first enemy. For our game is basically about a pencil that moves around and attacks fruits. The first enemy we made was an apple, and then there's a worm shooting out of it. And then we used a spline. Not everybody likes to type. Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying. I know, but I'm just saying that. So, the engine is loading. Then basically we made the spline, which is basically it goes along a path. That's which is when you are using it so that the cube can go, like the worm can go down from the apple. Because the spline is coming from the apple. So that was what we did in the last stream. So today we're going to try and make the second enemy, the pineapple. Well, and we'll also fix the bug which made it so that we'll try to fix the bug of the worm being invisible. I'm not sure if this the slide that's not working or that it's invisible, but something is not going. So then let me just edit some project settings and then we'll start. Okay. Default map. Let's go to the gaming. I mean the okay. So here is what we've done so far. Everything that we've this is everything that we've done. So then basically all we made was the pens. This cube is supposed to be the pencil, but then I haven't imported the sprites. I made some sprites. Oh, and I also did some debugging. The day before 2 days ago. So then basically let's check what And then it sets the play rate, which was setting into 6 seconds. Basically, it takes 6 seconds to go down, all the way down, and then it's using, wait, and then another worm has been spawned, so we're not able to see the full picture, kind of. So let's go back. Yeah, it spawned again. So then, I mean, it's been moved again. So then basically, the character has been moving. It's moving. The up has been moving, but then wait. Let's check out the valid and not valid thing. Then if it's not valid, then it will print a string which says not valid. So not valid. It's compiling, which basically what means is valid is checking if an object determines if an object is valid. So then if it's not valid, then it will print a string, which basically it shows some text. Saying that it's not valid. A string. It will show a string on that. Okay, so then let's wait for it to spawn, and let's see if it's valid. Okay, it is valid, since it's not giving the not valid thing. So then I don't know what's why it's there. Maybe it's a problem with the physical appearance of the worm, because wait, what happened to the okay, how do you add trying to find something in the blueprint. So then I'm looking. Yeah, you can't see anything. So then we are okay, I don't know. So then I know we've got the movement working, and that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, viewport. We finally found it. And let me see if this will change anything. But I hope it does. Oh, send the scene. It has to be movable. So it has to be movable. Maybe gravity has something to do with it. Let's disable gravity. Because that could have something to say. That can be one of the reasons. Or maybe the tutorial I used is just in time of watching when most thing was just outdated, because I've never seen a bug like this. What yeah, the worm Oh, this scene root has to be movable. Oh, so that's what was happening the entire time. The scene root wasn't movable. So let's check the scene. Let's check it out. It has to wait for like 5 to 10 seconds, and it picks at random. Because that's how I made the game. Because yeah, they haven't been any message logs talking message log talking about saying anything about the scene not moving, so I guess we're about to be in the clear. I was not in your first stream when you started making your first game. What game is it? It you're making? So then basically, wait. Let me set make a color source. Okay, so then we put it right under that. Okay, so basically the game that we're trying to make is basically a game where there's you're a pencil, and then you're basically attacking fruits, and then you get points. So yeah, that's the entire game. Yeah. So let's continue making. Okay. Okay. Wait, let me try something. Split the structure pane of this, then split the structure pane. We'll use the rotation, and then scale. Then location. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. So then, yeah. So we're not using the full transform because I think the scale is a bit too much. So let's debug this. Okay, so then let us wait for this to happen. Okay, yeah, it's spawning. Set it. It's not moving because it's paused. Then it skipped to spawning things. Okay, maybe it's the Apple's problem. Let's check it out in the viewport. Okay, I think I know the problem. Let's scale it down. Oops, I made a mistake. Let's scale it down. And then yes, and then basically just next to use Congress. Okay, I think that that should fix the problem. And now let's let's go from the spline. And I think the rotation is like, you have to edit that a bit. What? No, that's not what I meant. I meant the so well, it's kind of hard and also okay, let me just control Z. Oh, you can't control Z from there, so then you can not just spline, then you'll have to redo the code, and that's just not something I want to do. So then, yeah, I don't know. Seriously. And also, why is this under the cube? This is not supposed to be a child of anything. Yeah. Yeah, it's detached. So, yeah. I feel like people can hear the CPU. Oh, it's been a long time since I've checked chat. Oh, still nothing. Okay, let's continue on the game. Yes. Huh? Maybe it will work. But I don't think so. Okay. I think we will need to delete these things because I'm deleting this line. Then it's okay. We don't have to do the redo the entire code. We just need Okay. And yes, now we just need to rotate this. Wait. Let's check this out again. Okay, let me check chat again. Is there any way to get the stream to 1/360 and can't read anything on the screen? I'm not sure if this aware. Okay. I'm not sure about getting into over 360p, so then I hope this fixes some fixes any the issues. Okay. So then this spline. Oh, it's because you have to select spline points now. I mean, next we select spline points. Plus. Okay, undo this. My select spline points. This is the last spline point. And then this is the first spline point. I hope this fixes. All of your streams are 360p. It may be the output on OBS video, not a big problem. Okay. Okay, so what? Okay, you know what? Let's just work on the next enemy since this will consume too much of my time. Let's create a blueprint class. It's gonna be an actor, and it's gonna be the pineapple. Apple. But basically, pineapple is going to spawn a laser. Maybe you can guess we'll be calling it juice. But it's based off pineapple juice. Okay, so then let's create another actor. This is going to be a laser. So basically, a laser. This is the pineapple. We can begin play. Wait, you can just reuse the code, some code for the apple for like the spawning. This is going to be the way you spawn. You spawn actor. Okay, so then let's get it. So we'll get some of this. Okay, let's let's just delete that. Okay, so then if you watch the first stream, then you would know something about UI5. It's that a way to create a custom event. I mean, a custom, what's it called? Yeah, custom event. Wait, let's then begin play. We're gonna make it set which is supposed to be used to add a custom event. We're gonna be calling this spawn laser. Wait, we're not supposed to be doing this inside of the laser. We're supposed to do this inside of the pineapple. And basically, let me just bring this one back to the pineapple. Okay, and okay, so then this, and then oh, and yeah, also this one we're gonna delete this. We don't even need event begin play in the laser. For the start of that, we're going to be spawning lasers, and then we're gonna start for laser. I'm gonna call that function back. Then we will do spawn laser start at the start. So on event begin play, we will spawn laser, and spawning laser basically we do a delay which is going to come from a random floating range, which is basically we're gonna take from in the middle of 5 to 10, and the maximum we'll get was 5, and the maximum and the minimum we'll get is 5, and then the maximum we'll get is 10. And then that will be the delay, and then that will spawn an actor, which is the laser. It's going to supposed to damage, and then we redo that, and then it will do it again until you break, until you. Then let's make a cube. Well, let's make this long and a bit thicker than it, since for funsies. Then we'll add a hitbox. So the I don't remember how to create hitboxes. I mean, what was that called? The thing called collision, and it won't be under box. So then let's drop it there, and then it's gonna be, and then this will be static. And also the cube will be set to static. So let's save. Okay. So basically the cube is 1.5 and this is okay. So then I mean no. Let's check this out. Yeah. Let's control even compile save. Then yeah, we've got this. And then after that, in the collision box, on event begin overlap, we're going to cast. No, not cut. Cast. Let me check chat. Nothing more is happening in chat. The delay on that was kind of strange. Edu, what? Wait, has this been happening for a long time? Well, to everybody in chat, has this kept on happening for a while? Because this this thing, it's not supposed to be on top of the C face. Has this been happening for a while? Like the Unreal Engine just getting spoiled, been not showing? What have so basically those are glitch. Wait, now let's do it. Cast to what's my character called? Pencil. Then which is supposed to be other actor. And then if you cast if the cast is successful, then it will damage with eating. And wait, is now not it. What is the damage? The damage my model is glitching. It's kind of weird now that I think about it. But anyway, let's just continue the coding of the game. We cast a pencil, and then the pencil will have to get damaged, and damage it's apply damage. Apply damage. Yeah, the damage after will connect it to as pencil, and the base damage we'll leave it to 0 since it has lives. instead of normal video game. So then basically, yeah, this is everything that the laser does. So then, and also this cube, we'll have to set the collision. Ever since I've started coding, it's been hard to find, and then there'd be no collision. And then yeah, let us try to spawn a pineapple. And wait, in the pineapple it's supposed to spawn a laser. It's supposed to use its own transform. Get actor transform. Yeah, actor will be set, and then split structure pid, location, rotation, and then scale. Scale. Yes. Oh wait, we forgot to actually spawn the pineapple. Oh, and we also forgot to actually. Okay, for the pineapple, we'll have it as plain. As a plane. It's difficult. Okay, it's pretty difficult to see from this view, but oh, okay. Past working enemy. Okay, this is good. And then we should import some sprites. Let me check chat. Oh, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay. I'll see you in 5 minutes. 2 minutes of that have already passed, then just 3 more minutes. Well, let's just continue coding. So then now we just need to work on that polygons. Also, I think the plane is a bit too flat, so you can't change. You can't do that to a plane. Well, sorry. Well, yeah, and return. Let's just do that scale. So let's work on debugging the issue with the worms. Let us F9. You don't use F10 unless you want airplane mode, which I do not want. 23 minutes of that has passed, so just 2 more. Okay, so then that's what's been happening. It's supposed to be wild. It's supposed to be able to overlap with the laser. So then let's yeah, das kann man, da ist der what to say something. Okay, we gotta debug this. Let's try the box, and then no collision. Let's see if that works. Well, first of all, we gotta check out that. Do it. How does it spawn two? Oh, because there's 2 of them. Well, we only need 1. No, should we then continue? Okay, then there's now held. Oh, it's been 5 minutes. Well, let him take his time. Wait. explain about the worms. The coordinate space is supposed to be in over there. Then displaying. Oh, okay. Wait. I'm gonna break forward, and just then I'll be leaving for a bit, but I'll be back. Bye. Probably just wait 10 minutes. Actually, it's I wanted to say 15, but it's closer to 10. It's then just for a bit. Bye. Okay, I'm back. So I see that you'll be back in 20 or 30 minutes. Yeah. So then, because you need to go to the shop before it closes, well, you see me tomorrow on stream if you don't come back. If you don't come back, fine, I end my stream before you come back. Okay. Well, I'm going to be closing in like 13 minutes. I mean, one one more hour because I want this to be a 2-hour stream. And also, there's a lot we need to work on. Even though we've been given like almost a month to work on the game, we're gonna do a lot of things this stream. Turn. I see. And this fully works. Like, let's try. Wait for it. And yeah, that's through. But then it's not damaging. So then let's try something else for collision. Okay, then let's try custom. You can overlap. Okay, overlap is the way to go. Yeah, he's almost back. Oh, what? Oh, the stream. Fuck. Even with lights on, tracking still this tracking and things like that are still not as good. Well, let's just continue working on game. Wait, just let me adjust something. One thing, like, people are actually here, which I know people are here. Then it's like people who are don't want to be active in chat, which I respect the decision. Like, even I was a lurker in some people's streams for a while, and just yeah, and then what? Overlap. Okay, so let's see. Okay, well, let us try. Just wait for it to spawn. Let us see. Okay, so then it is working. Then I just want to him and no data. No data. Oh, there's been 15 views across this stream. Okay. Then wonder who those two people. Oh, you're back. Okay, so then you're back from the shop. Okay. So we finally made the lasers to start working, even though well, I planned for the sprite to be juice. Since lasers, the lasers would kind of make things complicated. Since yeah, it would just be complicated. And also now let me make something actor, and it's gonna be called a spawner. Wait, it's basically if I begin play, it's wait. So let's wait. I remember I had an old game which had something to spawn enemies. So then let's check out that game for reference. Now that I think about it, I've made so many games but I've never done a coding stream before. It's kind of strange. Well, let's just go on. Wait, and also I've never used a single toggle. Well, because I don't have that many toggles, like I only have one. If you just don't count the emotion toggles like anger, anger, and other things. I don't have really that much toggles, but I've never even used a single one, not even in my debut, which is kind of surprising since I've seen a common mistake with a bunch of YouTubers where in their debut they showed off all of their toggles, like most VTubers assign their toggles to their how long would you be streaming today, since I have to go soon? I may not see the end. We're going to be streaming for 30 more minutes. Wait, 30 or 20 more minutes. Well, I might do some extra time, but then yeah, I feel like it would be 20 or 30 more minutes. Wait, this was not the game that had the spawner. Oh, spawner is here, and let us check out the code for the spawner. Okay. Let's check this out. Okay. Okay, so then first of all, every tick we will get actors of class. Then one of them will be an apple. Wait, let me change this. Let me rename it to a warm apple, because I want it to there to be another apple. Well, then it will be warm apple. And then next, after warm apple, we're going to get the actors. No, get actors of class, not actor. Get all actors of class, and first will be warm apple. Second of all, what will it be called? Pine. Get actors of all. Get all actors of class, and then that'll be a pine. Wait, I'm not sure if that's how you spell pineapple, but I guess we're gonna keep it in the code. Wait, I haven't checked chat in a while. I'll be here for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, yeah, then you might not see most of the stream, but it's only going to be like 15 or to 20. Yeah, I'm now going to be missing. Then we're going to get a length, which a length gets the number of items in an array. So then basically I'm going to get what's it called, a length. So then it's gonna be length. So then we get the length of that, and then we also get the length of this. Okay, CPU usage. Okay, so then we get to add these two integers. So then let's get add operators, then add. Let's connect to these two, this, and then adding. Then we'll use that, and we'll promote variable. Then this variable will be called enemies. I hope that's how you spell it. That's going to be set to enemies after, and then after I guess up to this, and then yeah. Okay, so then why don't I just use straighten connection? Okay, I don't know how to use straighten connection. Didn't know how to use straighten connection. Let's check out chat. Okay, so then this going to only this one. I'm going to check that, and then an event. Okay, so then let's use equals. Equals 0. Let's get out our branch. Which there's also a shortcut where if you just write if, then it will get for your branch. But I'm gonna be using the pro since it's not that hard. So then we'll get a branch. In the branch, we are going to spawn with next ... because I don't want to type it in full, and then what will it be called? Spawn enemies. Okay, okay, let's create wait, let me create okay, what would it be called? The thing, what type of array are we calling? What is an class? There's no array of classes. Okay, there's No, last time we have to do some pretty long code. So we're gonna get we are going to use random int get merged random integer in range. So the minimum will be 0, the maximum will be 3, and the return value of this. So I'm gonna be using equal, is that equal plus, because I really need that, because I don't want to do what I did in this old game where enemies that exist equals 0, then we spawn. When we spawn, we get our branch, and then random integer in range. And then if it's true, we're gonna we have to get. Actually, this doesn't seem too bad. Oh, this is why this class of enemy never spawned in my game, because it wasn't connected to anything. He might be, and I see, and remember about you leaving in 10 to 15 minutes. That means that you might be gone in 1 minute or 6, which so let me copy and paste what I used for this code, for my old code. This is what I used in my old code. So now we just gotta get this random int. We try and connect it to the top of all of this. So then let's run this. We're just gonna start. Then we're going to spawn an actor. We're going to copy and paste this a couple of times. And then now it connects. So now I'm supposed to and then what? Oh, this will be apple, warm apple, and then can we just get how? I wish none. Oh, so then I choose none. What? Oh yeah. Okay, since get character transform, and then we'll connect it to all, including this, then this. none. This is what I want, but it's not allowing me like the other ones. Okay, so let me go back here. Oh, so if it gets 3, then it just doesn't spawn anything. And then finally we have a spawner which wait. No, I think I understand why the worm wasn't doing anything. I think I understand. So then get distance along spline supposed to be connected to the return value of this. Over here. Okay. Get distance on. Oh, and also this one is supposed to, the coordinate space is supposed to be local. So then now, if this is correct, well, it's going, but it's going way too fast. Also in his left stream. Oh, it's because this warm apple, this plant is way too long in it. Then you just have to reduce it a bit. Then over here. Then it's still pretty long. Let's reduce it a little more. And wait, let me check. Okay, I think this is good. Looks like it's almost time for stream to end, but I guess I stream for an extra while today, since I want to do my first ever 2-hour stream. Wait. I started this stream at 4:30. Currently 5:58, um, and I always want to relax by 7. So yeah, I guess we have enough time. I'm just comparing to other people's code. I mean, yeah, because there seems to be a problem somewhere, which I don't know where. I guess I can skip that. Exactly like that. Well, I know something is moving. It moved just very fast. And basically, this basically it just needs to slow down. Supposed to be. Okay. I mean, we need warm. Okay, and now it's 6 seconds. The length is 6 seconds, so just let me change this. So in the next keyframe, so basically the worm has started moving, but it's way too fast. Very interesting. Now, what will you be streaming tomorrow? On Twitter, you're talking about the game. Tomorrow we're going to be discussing some mechanics, and if we get enough time, then we are going to be able. That we will make some of them. If they're good enough and fit the game, then we're going to add it. So then, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. And if you have any more questions, and feel free to ask. Some things work, but then they're just going way too fast. Maybe I should actually follow the tutorial and make a new variable called rate. And then it's going to be a float, and then you're supposed to get rate, and then use that, and then this is supposed to be 1 second, and then the new rate will be 6 seconds, and then yeah, because it just seems. I think it's going. Huh? Okay. There's some things going on here. Let's try that. Okay, that's okay. Okay. Okay, and now it's kind of under. Still kind of under. So I'd like to bring this back. Okay, it's wrong thing. Okay. Wait, when this finishes, it's supposed to delete itself. Finish, it's supposed to destroy after, and after is supposed to destroy itself. Okay, basically, yeah, this is all I've gotten so far. Which I think this is pretty solid progress. It's just that I wish I could slow things down. But I don't think. Let me control Z. And let's just disconnect. I'm just gonna disconnect, and yeah, then the new time will be 6 seconds. Okay, this is pretty neat. So then basically now it's lower. So then now when it's finished, it needs to the delete. So then let's check this out. Okay. Okay. Let's check out some things. Only one here, but I guess it's pretty cool to even currently with one viewer. It's supposed to start at 4:30, but it was delayable. So then it's really close. Wait, it's just more 30 more minutes until my first ever tour. And then this would be officially my first ever tour was stream, which I feel like it's a great accomplishment. Yeah, we've already got 2 enemies. So then now let's make another enemy. This enemy will be a normal actor, and it will be the apple. Like, is it ready? Okay, normal apple. Wait, let me delete this, and it will be a duplicate of this, and it will be just called the apple. I mean normal apple, norm apple. Okay, now what I think about normal. The reason bad English exists in a nutshell. Okay, then it's just gonna be a normal apple. And let's update the spawner. So the third one, let's do it from 1 to 4. It will spawn. True. It will spawn. Let's connect that. A normal apple. Normal apple. Then yeah. And then if it's false, it will show nothing. So basically, then now we got to make the enemy. But then now, let's add also. We need a static camera. It might seem like I have a game for everything. I don't. I only have for these things. But I think I have 2 games that static camera. Oh no, that first one was for changing cameras. Wait. This gives me an idea. I gotta go now. If you end up streaming for 30 more minutes, I might be back in time. Okay, I'll probably be streaming for 30 more minutes. Wait, let me check something. I'm out. I'll actually be streaming for 19 more minutes. not means so only 19 more minutes. So the code will be. Oh, and yeah, I was supposed to make our fourth enemy. So now why am I seeing from? How? How does the camera work like this? Everybody wants to be my enemy. Look at this, my enemy. Okay, okay, this camera. So now, so now, so I guess wait, what happened to my just chatting overlay? Well, let me reset chat because I've done everything I wanted for to do today. I'm just gonna be chatting. Okay, but since nobody is here for chatting, well, let's just start. Let me just show off some of my projects, I guess. Well, let me show you one that I made for a different game jam. I made this one for a different game jam. Like, I think it was 2 years, but it was for one of the global game jams, like all around the world. Like the official global game jam, not like a random game jam. It was the global game jam of a certain year, I don't know. But I made it for that year. Well, I was in a team of some people. Yeah. Okay, the game's opening. And yeah, then let me change the game culture. It was a game for, and the theme of the game jam that I made this for was called the duality game jam. This looks a bit dismissed. Why is it zooming in on that plugins? So and basically in this game, this is called the wall. Where gray is the button you press. I'm not sure who added that comment because I don't remember. So basically this was the game. This was, yeah. So, oh, by the way, this game is kind of heavy. By the way, this is the wall. Okay, this might make computer crash. Because, oh, you see that it was kind of overloaded. um yeah. So then basically the game's not running on this side. So anyway, I just want to say I was part of the team, and I can't show the game sadly because you know I just don't because you know it's overloading stream. I mean it's overloading OBS and it's not closing for some reason, so I'll have to use task manager, something that it's opened in most what computer is at 100 CP and somehow not crashing. I mean, oh, it's reducing. How can my computer run? I mean, run on that FPS. I've never seen a computer able to do that. It's kind of strange. Well, anyway, let's go back to just chatting. Well, I want to do karaoke stream soon. I don't know why. I want to start doing karaoke streams. And okay. Okay. Just 22 more minutes. I mean, yeah, 20. I mean, 18 minutes. I mean, 12 minutes. And why does it seem like my PC is frying? I just hear a bunch of bursts. I mean, I think it's going to. And wait, you know those YouTubers which use plushies and just talk? I found somebody talking about the 2 year situation with it. For some reason, it was just 1 day ago. I only discovered it now, right on stream. Well, yeah. I don't know why, but whenever like a VTuber follows me on Twitter, I love following them back for some reason. Like just now right on stream, I discovered this VTuber known as Coco Aura. I mean Aurora. Wait, I found a tweet that she reposted, and that was the same tweet that I saw in the morning. Huh? And her tweets are actually like pretty funny. I think you should follow her. I'll leave a link to her. Does this count as a raid? Well, I'll also leave another really good VTuber. Oh wait, and also as I'm ending, I'm going to give you guys a raid. Just let me set it up. Okay, so I made a message telling you, I'm showing you what I want you all to read, and yeah, so go to a stream. I'm like, and please don't mention that I raided her. I just want to give her some viewership, and then don't mention any raids. Yeah, and don't mention that I raided. Even though that's mostly the point of a raid. And 10 more minutes until stream ends, then it's only going to be 5 more minutes, and let's see, then have a blessed Friday, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, I don't think we need any raids. Let me delete her from chat. I mean, wait, follow this other YouTuber. It's almost. Wait, y'all remember Claperions? I mean, I'm back. What link is that? Well, basically, there's this VTuber, and it's this VTuber called Aurora. Yeah, I think her tweets are pretty funny, so I'm just telling you that you should probably follow her. She's really good. Wait, actually, something weird is that most of her posts are just retweets. Even the reason that I followed her wasn't a retweet, it was a normal tweet. And remember what happened on Twitter about your likes being private? I guess it stopped a lot of people from being cancelled. I just feel like it. And just 6 more minutes of stream. So then I'll just have send all That's how we go. Now it's 3 more minutes until I'm, ending stream. Wait, yeah. So I'll just be there for one more minute, which is the final minute. I guess I'll recommend you. I don't know what to do. I guess since there's just gonna be a few seconds until I'm ending stream, then I guess seconds until I'm ending stream. Then I guess have a blessed weekend. Then bye.